A request I often receive from PhantomBuster users is how and where to check their account usage. For this, you will need to click on your execution time on the top navigation bar here. You can see that you have a time which is the execution time. Here for me, it's 62 hours. So you click here and then you will see all the details concerning the usage of your account for the current months. You can see, for example, that for me, I used already 17 out of 3 days of execution time that I have this month, and that my monthly resource is resetting in 25 days. Concerning AI credits, I didn't use any credits yet, so I still have 30,000 AI credits to use. I'm using 7 out of the 15 slots of Phantom that I can use, so I can still use 8 of them. And I've been using 392 email credits out of the 2,500 that I have with my current plan. On the right, you will have information concerning your plan on PhantomBuster, the number of slots that you have thanks to the plan, and the number of execution hours. So if you go a bit down, you'll have drop down other resources. So here you will have information concerning the file storage, concerning the email notifications and the captcha. And then you also have the usage export drop down, the one that we will have a look now. Here you can export all the usage of your accounts. If you click here, you will have the Phantom usage, and if you click on this one, you will have a more detailed Phantom usage with the usage of your Phantoms, all your automations, and everything that you were doing on your PhantomBuster account in the last 6 months. So I will click on export, and then I download the file. I will go on Google Spreadsheet to import my file to show you how it looks like. Here you will see that you have all the information of your Phantoms and the usage you were doing with your PhantomBuster account in the last 6 months. So the name of your Phantoms, the execution time, the total launches, the input types, the dates and hours you were processing these Phantoms, and so on. So if you go down, you can see all the different Phantoms you have been using. For me, it was a bit more than 100. And if you go on the right, you can also see if you deleted this Phantom or not. So here, for example, on the first line, you can see that this concerns a Phantom that I already deleted from my account. So this is all for today concerning the account usage of your PhantomBuster. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.